was on my merry way, strolling through the park one day, when suddenly something flew over. What the hell is that on my shoulder? Dick bird flew on my shoulder, dropped a big turd as he flew over. Dickie, Dickie, why'd you have to pick me? Dick bird. Just kept walking, what else could I do? With everybody gawking at me covered in doo-doo. Dickie, Dickie, why'd you have to pick me? What the hell did I ever do to you? Dick bird, food on my shoulder, dropped a big turd as he flew over. Dickie, Dickie, why'd you have to pick me? Dick bird. Whistle with us, everybody. Yeah. One more. Dick bird. Dick bird.
That was a worldwide #1 hit. It went over the U.S. I don't know why we missed this here.
These guys are great whistlers.
Oh, awesome.